Good morning, boys and girls. We've had two storms over the weekend and we've managed to narrowly avoid flooding at WRCC, which we're all happy about. So we can get some stock out. As I say, we've got 5 or 6 cars coming in, so we're going to get some adverts out this week. This is the first new arrival of this week and it's absolutely out of this world. 1960 original pickup truck. One previous keeper on the logbook. It's been on the same farm all its life, then went to auction and then were bought in Lincolnshire by somebody local and restored. And sympathetically restored as well. It hasn't been chopped and chopped and chopped and chopped and chopped and all new. Basically it's only had some new rear wheel tubs and the floor in the back of the pickup cab, the pickup back, and some new arches, front wings. So I'll walk you around her. As you can see, exceptionally good truck. Thrown off balance a little bit because somebody's parked in his usual spot. But finished in birch grey, 1960, one previous keeper. As you can see, tailgate's original, absolutely straight as a die. Down the side of the body, absolutely straight as a die. All the panel fit on it, it's absolutely beautiful. Cab back straight as a die. Spare wheels missing, but obviously it comes with a new powder coated. We've left it off so you can see the back of the cab, but there's a new powder coated wheel and tyre down there at the WRCC workshop that'll come with it, as you'd expect. Van wheels, brand spanking new hubcaps, new tyres. We'll have a look in the body. So it's been lined out, it's absolutely perfect behind that lining. As I say, it's got new wheel tubs in the back, there and there, which is perfect. And the body floor is all new, all the wood's obviously new. Absolutely straight as a die, beautiful truck, really nice. It comes with its original logbook, obviously the buff one, and then the latest logbook, which has got one previous keeper on it. As I say, new wings. If you look at the door gaps and everything on it, and the body fit, it's all absolutely beautiful. If you're looking for a good truck, then this one is the one for you. Have a look inside. So, all the gutter, you see all the spot welds and everything, which is a bit of an indicator that it's not full of filler. All the door reveals and that are absolutely clean as a whistle, as we said. All clean round there. And if you look at the shine on that paintwork, absolutely stunning. Original seat covers, which again sort of shows you that it's not been absolutely hammered during its working life. It's been one place and not worn out, not killed with hard work. Right. So 8265 miles on it. Upgraded heater on it. Give it a start. So it runs lovely, drives lovely. I've just driven it up here as per usual, up the old bumpy track down there, which is even more bumpy today because the really heavy rain over the weekends washed it out. Have a look under the bonnet, it's just as good as the cab and the back body. You know, the inner wings, bottoms of the engine bay floor, bulkhead, everything's absolutely clean as a whistle. Exceptionally good truck. So we're on at 23,495. If you're looking for something special, then this certainly is very special. More details, give us a bell, 01422881221. Ask for me, Dan, in sales. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk, or this will be on our website www.westridingclassics.co.uk this afternoon. But if you're looking for a good truck, then be quick, because I can't see this one being around for much longer. Thanks guys.